Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the euro currency. So we're coming slowly to the Fed meeting today later in the session, and it's difficult to expect some activity before the statement happens and before it will be the press conference where the Fed should clarify its position and provide new update on economic conditions. So with the old performance that we have currently and based on the technical moments, it seems that it's more probable that Fed will tell nothing really serious. And the one thing that really could surprise the market is if they announce tapering right now in September. That will be very bearish for euro currency, and it will trigger downward continuation. Although we expect mostly that it should happen not earlier than in November, but more probably even in December. But who knows? Some investors are waiting for that in September. So if this will happen, we will see downside collapse. And in general, the overall technical picture suggests and support this opinion, as market shows the bearish price action and another factor that could push price lower and stands in a row with the technical picture that we have. To reverse the whole situation, Fed has to say something really absolutely dovish. So that could lead for some more or less solid upward action. But currently, with the fundamental background that we have, that we discussed week by week in our updates and our reports, I do not see really the reasons and how this in general could happen, what they could say. Only that they don't intend tapering at all, but hardly this in general possible. So blank statement where they will say nothing actually makes probably no significant impact on the market. So it could bring some volatility here, but hardly we will get many significant swings outside of the range that the market already stands. So that's approximately what we have. I just would like to remind you that on the dollar indexes, we have the free drive pattern. So here we would also discuss the potential butterfly. So if Fed announce some dovish moments maybe in a statement, that could trigger some maybe deep retracement here. But this will not become the break of overall bearish context. This will just change the shape. So instead of the direct breakout to the downside of the hand and shoulders bottom, market will form the butterfly here with the falling downside breakout in the same direction. So that's the only thing that theoretically we could get based on today's result of the press conference from the Fed. On intraday charts, we do not see something really important. So overall reaction on the OP target stands slow and gradual. It means that there is no sign of the reversal. This is not end of the downward action. It's just minor reaction. Target that has been achieved. Let's pull back here, retracement. Next target set at 1620. So this is our major destination point that we're considering on the daily charts. You know, this is weekly confluence, this is daily long-term OP, and there we are watching for a chance to go long because of the first reaction on the strong level. It might be solid pullback, solid at least for daily intraday charts. And here's might be a good chance to trade the first reaction on the strong support area. So on the lower time frame, here's market almost has completed two swings. You can see not the 618 level, but 50% has been reached on this most recent drop. So you can see it repeats very often recently. So we also here could make the market. That's 50%. And now, currently it's actually hardly we could expect some clear patterns that will be formed until the statement because everybody waits for it. And I don't see that will be some reasonable shape being formed until the statement we have. So currently I think that it's time to sit on their hands and wait what will happen. So we have taken the bearish positions, as I explained yesterday. So it is enough to place stops just above the previous swing. You do not need to hide stops too far, because if market will jump above it, it will mean that it could move higher and we could get the butterfly on the daily chart. If everything will be as usual, or even more hawkish statement will follow from the Fed, market collapse right from this point. So we do not need to hide stops too far from the current recent swing. So that's the only thing actually that we could discuss and consider on the Forex market right now. And maybe tomorrow, after the statement will take place, we get more topics to discuss. Maybe some new shape will be formed on the market. So let's see.